Welcome everyone. Today we're going to continue on number patterns on grade 10. And here we have two sequences A and B, and question wants us to find the general formula and term number 10, 15 and 30. Let's start with A. Going to put negative 18, negative 22, negative 26, and negative 30, and negative 34. First, you can start by finding the common difference between the terms, and the common difference is negative 4, negative 4, negative 4, negative 4. When you take this, you minus this, take this, minus this, take this and minus this, and take this and minus this. Next, we're gonna use the formula. Since this sequence is a linear sequence, we're gonna use the formula for linear sequence, which is Tn is equals to a plus into n minus 1 d, and here a represents the first term. Then it's going to be, here's negative 18 plus, we're gonna have n minus 1. This is the common difference, which is negative 4, and it's going to be negative 18 plus negative 4n plus 4, which can be negative 18 minus 4n plus 4. Then the formula will be negative 14 minus 4n. Now that we found the formula, we can use it to find term number 10, 15 and 30. Then it's for term number 10, it's going to be negative 14 minus into 4 and it's going to be negative 14 minus 4 term number 10 here, which will be negative 40 minus 40, which will be negative 54. For term number 15, it's going to be negative 14 minus 4 into term number 15, and then term number 15 will be negative 74. For term number 30, it's going to be negative 40 minus 4 into 30. Then term number 30 will be negative 134. Now let's look at number B. For number B also is a linear sequence. First, we're gonna find the common difference between the terms. The common difference is negative 7, negative 7, negative 7, and negative 7. Now, since we know that this sequence is a linear sequence, we're gonna use the formula for linear sequence, which is Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 d, and the value of n is the first term on the sequence. Then here is going to be 1 plus n minus 1. The common difference is negative 7. Then when you simplify, it's going to be 1 minus 7n plus 7 here. Then it's going to be 7, but it's going to be 8 minus 7n. Now let's answer for T10, T15 and T8. For term number 10 is equals to 8 minus 7. Here is going to be 10. Then it's going to be negative 62. Then we have term number 15. which will be 8 minus 7 into 15, which will be negative 97. Then for term number 30, it's going to be 8 minus 7 into 30, which will be negative 202. Now we are done for this question. And next video we're gonna continue on number patterns.